What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to put a hanger on your exhaust. If you're missing one or one's fallen off, you can always repair it, do the same thing. I'm just using a stick welder. I found some scrap metal and a spare hanger that I've got laying around. Now the reason for doing it is I've got a little rattle in the exhaust, so I've just got to raise it up a little bit in the back and then it will stop hitting. So I've got a little touch under the K-frame. I'll put a clip in here of what it sounds like. It's pretty annoying, to be honest. So yeah, I'll jump into it, show you what you can do and how to fix a exhaust hanger if it's fallen off or snapped off or anything like that. You can always chuck it back on with just a simple stick welder. Alrighty, so as you can see, my problem is the exhaust is hanging way low just in this section here, so I've got to jack her up. Hang on. Jack her up to there. And if you look in here, we've got a hanger point here, so what I plan on doing is putting a hanger off here, a hanger off here, and I've got a rubber hanger that I can just chuck on it, which should solve the issue. Alrighty, so this is the hanger that I've got planned on using. Pretty simple hanger. I don't even know what it's from, to be honest. I just had it laying around in the shed. And I've got this metal, it's like a handle or something. I'm not too sure, but it's the right thickness of what I need, so hopefully we can just cut that in half. So I'll just cut it down the middle here, and then I can just grind this off, grind all that off, weld that to the chassis, weld that side to the exhaust, and hopefully that will give me enough meat. So I only need so much on that side and so much on that side, probably there, and then I'll just butt the ends off with a big weld or something. Yeah, we'll get into it. Alright, so I've just got to cut this in half now. So just got to clamp it down. I'm thinking like that. Get the fat side on the top. Like so. Alright, so got the grinder. Right. Got the grinder, just got to change to a cutting disc, which I know I've got somewhere. Alrighty. Oh, better get me eye protection. Forget to use your safeties. Alright, all cleaned up. So now my plan is to weld that one to the car, like so, and then that one's going to come under off the exhaust, and then hopefully that gives me enough to just hang the two together. See how it goes. Alright, she's in there. So now, should be able to put that on there, take that to that, and then I'm just going to build some weld up here, maybe even just weld a washer there, because that's just going to stay on the exhaust. I'm not too fussed. There's a joint here and a joint over there, so when I go to redo the exhaust eventually, I can just lop this off with a grinder. Alright, so I found this little spacer here. Pretty handy when you've got a junk full of crap. So I'll just set the welder up and just see how this goes. Give it a test. Oh, she's on there. Alright, we'll keep going. Alright. Not bad. Just filter it. She ain't going nowhere. Sweet. Just let that cool down, and then we'll get into the next part. Alright, now time to tuck it to the exhaust. Let's take this down. Alright, so as you can see, it's going to tack quite nicely right there. And that's perfect. Alright, let's rip into it. Alrighty, real quick paint, we're good to go. Got the enamel. And she's hanging on for dear life now. Cool. Not bad. There we go. All painted up. Both sides tacked. Tack. Got the hanger there. So the exhaust is all fixed. It's a bit dark now, it's night time, but take it out for a drive and see how it sounds. I had to wait a bit for the traffic to clear up because it's a weekday, a lot of traffic on the road, living next to the highway, so we'll go out now and see if she's fixed. Alright, let's go. Oh, no rattle yet. It's always a good start. Wait for it to warm up. Alrighty, off we go. Alrighty. That's that. No more rattle, which is great. So yeah, if you guys like the video, be sure to chuck us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe would really helps out. Cheers guys.